Hi students, welcome to this 27th lecture of this digital electronics, where in the last lecture we have seen a few the concepts of Boolean algebra. What is the importance or significance of this Boolean algebra, and we have even started or we have even discussed few laws of this Boolean algebra. Right, and we have noted few 8 7 or 8 I guess this different laws of this Boolean algebra. Okay, and now before going further, before going to study the further laws, that is and laws and or laws of this Boolean algebra, let me first try to solve a given equation. Right, for the Boolean algebra I was talking about reduction or simplification or minimization. Okay, so let me first try to solve a couple of examples, and then you'll get a gist, or you'll get some sense of how this Boolean algebra laws can be used to reduce a given digital circuit. Okay, so you can see this question. You may have this question for 2 or 4 marks. Okay, so the question is, sketch the following equation. Now sketch means you are supposed to draw with help of gates. Okay, use one AND gate and one OR gate only. So they are saying you have to use only one AND gate and one OR gate. Okay, so if you refer the question, how many gates actually we have? So we have this 1, then this is dot, this is 2, and this again 3, right? So one AND gate and one OR gate means we are supposed to sketch this equation with help of 2 gates, but actually here we have these 3 gates. Now how are we supposed to reduce this? Okay, now just now since this is a bracket, I'll just try to solve this bracket. So I have y equal to now a multiplied by this a and then a multiplied by c, right? A into a plus a into c plus, I have done with a. Now this b into a plus b into c. Okay, you have seen this, or I can write down a into a plus a into c plus, now this ba I can write ab plus bc. Now in the previous this lecture we have seen this rule, I think commutative rule. Okay, so 4 into 5 is as good as 5 into 4, right? Now this is a part of AND rule, this one, because here we have a dot a, means a is dot represents ANDing operation. Okay, and in the ANDing operation, when two similar these terms are multiplied, we get the only one term out of these two, right? So here I'll have a plus ac plus ab plus bc. Okay, now if you see here, taking common terms is one of the important steps, as I already discussed. Taking common terms. Okay, now if you see in this equation, what common term we have? Here we have this a. Okay, so I just take this a common, I get 1 plus c plus b, and this term is as it is. Okay, now here at this equation we are using ORing laws. Now you might have seen the truth table for the OR gate. It states that if any of the input is 1, output is 1. You see here for these 3 input, the input here is 1, so this complete term is reduced to 1. Okay, and then we have this A here, this dot 1 plus BC, right? We have one more this, now this is dot means and, so we have one more ANDing law which states that A dot 1 is equal to A. We'll prove this, we'll prove this also, and we'll prove this also. I'm just with the help of example, I'm just trying to put you in this, that how Boolean algebra or Boolean laws can be used to reduce the given equation. Okay, so since this is A, it becomes A plus BC, right? Now if you refer how many gates we have, now if you see we cannot reduce this equation further, right? So we have this one OR gate, and here this is dot for two variables, one AND gate, right? And so that is what is asked in the question. Sketch the following equation, use one AND gate and one OR gate only. So we have brought this equation down to this, where it is using only one OR gate and one AND gate. Okay, now since it is asked to sketch, then we can simply sketch this. Now this B and C are ANDed, so I can draw this here. So since this is AND gate, this is B, this is C, and output of this is ORed with A. So I have this OR gate and this is A. Okay, so from the three these gates, I have reduced this circuit to two gates. So I have dropped one gate here. Okay, so in this fashion, we can just go on reducing the given circuit. I hope this example is clear for you. And while reducing this, then we are going to use these Boolean algebra laws. So I have just reduced with help of different laws here. Okay, I will try to go for the next example. It is just simply asked to reduce. Okay, so I have y equal to AB plus ABC plus AB bar. Now here the very first step is trying to take common terms. Okay, so here if you can see, we have this AB and AB common here, right? We have A common here, but that won't work to reduce this circuit, or you can even try for that, but let's go for this first, AB. Okay, so I have AB 1 plus C, right, plus AB bar. Okay, so this becomes 1. Okay, so just now I have discussed this is ORing law. So I have AB plus AB bar. Okay, now here also you can see we have this A common. I can take A as a common term, so A 1 plus B bar. Now this ORing law again, if any of the input is 1, output is 1. Okay, so this becomes 1, and then I have A dot 1, which is equal to A. Okay, so what now you can see here, the big equation, that is AB plus ABC plus AB bar has been absolutely reduced to a single term. Okay, so you can use any of the gates here, AND gate or OR gate. Even NAND or NOR also can be used here, right? So if I want to use this gate, I can simply So A, and this gives A, right? So how many gates I have reduced here? I have this 1, this 2, 3, so you can combine this, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here also you can add one gate, 7. So from 7 gates I have simply reduced it to single gate. Okay, so that is actually the magic of this Boolean algebra. The only thing is that you should completely know or have complete knowledge or understanding of this Boolean laws. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope you're getting some sense of how these laws can be used.